So on my video, can you replace a video after you upload, which answered that question. One of the other questions I get a lot is, well, can you edit the video after you upload it and not affect anything? Well, the good news is you can edit your video after you upload. In fact, YouTube says this: the video's URL, view count, and comments will stay the same. Now, the cool thing about the editor is everybody has access to it. Doesn't matter how small or big our channels are, we all have access to it. It is limited, but here's what you can do. So the first thing you want to do to get there is you want to go to your studio and go to content. Now just pick the video that you want to edit. So I'm going to go to this one right here. You go to the description, and you're going to see right over here all the many things, including editor. This is how you get to it. Here are the things you can currently do with it. You can trim and cut. You can blur something. You can add music. And I believe, and I'm not sure you can take music off or not. If you can, let me know down in the comments. You can change the end screen, add an end screen, and info card. So let's just say you want to trim and cut. So I'm going to do that. And right now, you see this bar right here. So let's say I want to come in and I want to start it right here. And what's really cool is you can play it and see what it says. Creating thumbnails isn't about creating the most beautiful. Okay, so let's just say I wanted to cut the beginning off of that, which I don't know how much off of it. So when I've done with that, let's say I go to that point right there, I can preview it. So there was a little flash in there, but if I want it, I hit save. I'm going to discard that. Now that was just a basic trim, but if you want to cut, you do the same thing. And let's say I want to cut right in here. I don't know exactly where I am in here, but I'll do this. I'll do new cut. And now you notice right here, let's just say I wanted to cut that mad scientist out right there. There's the front. There's the end, and wherever that is. And what would happen is it would actually cut that part out. Something I want to show you too, you can actually zoom in. So this right now, when you go here, it's going to show you the entire video. And honestly, if you were trying to edit in here somewhere, I think it'd be very hard just to get there. So what you can do is you can zoom in. And if you don't edit audio much, this is kind of like an audio waveform. So you can see these are gaps in my audio. So like if, for example, I wanted to cut this whole part out here, I know somewhere in here I stop talking. Again, I can go back to trim and cut and use it that way. Now, another thing you can do is blur. You can actually track something in blur, which is really cool, or you can blur something fixed. This can come in handy if you've, like, say you've done a video somewhere and somebody was in the video that didn't want to be in it, or you need to blur something on your shirt. So here's what you do. Okay, so if you want to blur something, notice right here it says blur. Now, right now, I've just jumped into the video just at some point in here just to give you an idea. So I'm going to click on this plus sign, and it's going to give me two options, face or custom. I'm going to choose custom. And it's hard to see right here, but now you can kind of see it there, right? And I'm going to do fix blur position. Now, right now, it thinks I want to go to the end of the video. I don't, so I'm just going to I'm going to change the time to 5, and then we'll make it 16. So notice now it's only going to do it for that amount of duration, and I can change the box. So let's say for whatever reason I didn't want to show that, and for that length of time, once I hit save, it will blur just that part. Now you can also add music with the editor. So you go here and I click on this, and the music is coming from the YouTube library. And you want to really make sure you understand how to use this. It is only for YouTube as far as I understand. But let's say I wanted to use this Guilty Dreams, and I can play it. So you can actually preview something before you use it. Well, let's just say I want that. I'm going to add it right there. Now, obviously, it's not long enough, but then you can even get here, and you notice it says right here, adjust mix, because it would be too loud. Then I can bring it down, and you can also preview here. It may take a second for it to kind of put it in, but you can preview it here, and if you like it, then you hit save. And the other things you can do on here is you can end screen. So if I want to go here, it's going to add end screens. Now, I already have end screens on my video, but if you haven't done that, you could add an element there. We're going to go back. And info cards, those are the things that you'll see pop up here. You can also add that as well. and it gives you the option video, playlist, channel, and link. And I do think you have to have all of this in your custom settings so you can do that. So the other thing I want to show you is if you make a change, what happens. So let's hop back in. Okay, so I'm going to use the trim and cut. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to trim a little off the front. And let's just say I want to start it right there. I'll preview it. Creating thumbnail. Let's just say that's okay. I'm not worried about that flash here. And I hit save. And you're going to get this box right here. And it tells you exactly that viewers will see the current version of the video. So the one that you're attempting to edit, they'll still see that. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. So make sure you're doing everything you need. And the original version of your video will be stored so you can't undo the edit. So that's very important. And if you agree with all of this, then you hit save. So limited, yes, but at least some things we can do. Hopefully, YouTube, you give us more things we can do with the editor. So if you want to do more with video, check out the videos on the screen. Hit me up in the comments with any questions you got, and I'll see you in the next video.